Sabis is more than a school. It's a system designed for success. A system you can rely on, backed by over 140 years of excellence and strong academic standards. A system that opens a world of choices, preparing students for diverse pathways and global university admissions. A system that prepares for the real world, building strong academics, 21st century skills, and a sense of community. A system that builds character, nurturing confidence, discipline, and values that last a lifetime. A system that shapes leaders, fostering responsibility, initiative, and collaboration from an early age. Choose a system built for success. Choose Sabis.